What's your favorite restaurant?
Well, I love Lisa's Italian restaurant.
Really? I never go there. I don't usually go to Italian restaurants.
Why? You don't like Italian food, right?
No, I love it, but my mom makes great Italian food. I do have Chinese food when I go out.
Do you have it often?
Not really, I don't have it very often.
Why?
My husband hates it. So I don't eat at Chinese restaurants very often.
What do you usually order?
I usually get sushi.
When was the last time you just stayed home?
Oh, last week or so.
How often do you relax at home?
I usually do it about 3 or 4 nights a month.
Do you normally watch TV or listen to the radio?
I usually watch YouTube videos or hang out.
Pizza delivery. Here is your pizza, ma'am. That's will be 20 pounds.
Thanks. Here is 20 pounds. Exact change.
Is that everything?
Yes, I already paid the delivery fee when I ordered online.
But what about a tip?
A tip? I assumed the delivery that. Doesn't that go to you?
No, the delivery fee goes straight to the company. I don't see any of it. We rely on tips to make a decent income.
I get what you're saying, but I have already paid for the pizza and the delivery. I don't think tipping is necessary.
I understand, but tipping is the norm. We work hard to get your order to you quickly, even in bad weather like tonight.
I appreciate that, Max, truly. But I believe tipping should be optional. If your company isn't paying you enough, they should fix it instead of burdening their customers.
That's not how things work in this industry. Most people tip, and it's frustrating when they don't.
I am sorry if this let you down. I will think about it next time.
Alright then. Have a good night.
Thanks, Chris. Drive safely out there.